If you've been searching for a home that gives everyone their own space without sacrificing luxury, you are going to want to see this one. Today we are touring the Camelot Model here at Highlands at St. Charles in White Plain, Maryland. What makes this home stand out is its unique multi-generational design. With nearly 3,000 square feet, an open concept living area, spacious bedroom, and thoughtful design throughout, this home is built for modern living.
Right,
Let's take a
so
closer look
as
inside.
soon as you come through the door, this is what you see. Look at that nice overlook area. So we are going to go ahead and start to the left. So in the left, you have a living space area. That is designed as living space, probably an in-law suite where you have your appliances. You have a small kitchenette. The only thing you don't have is a stove, of course. But then the area is attached to a full bathroom. So you can see you have a shower there. You have your toilet. You have your washer and dryer downstairs. And then you have a bedroom. Look at that. Okay. And then there is a closet space right here, which is pretty nice size closet right there. Okay. So this is right at the entry. Right at the entry, this is where you get all this. So if we go back right by the door, so you have this nice hallway. This is the upstairs. We'll be going there shortly, but we are quickly going to go ahead and visit right here. I really like this small area here and the fact that they decided to make something out of it. So it's really nice. You can decorate it as you see fit. Now you have your bigger living space area. It's really big right there. And then, as always, you have that seamless transition with the dining room and then your kitchen area. So look at the kitchen island. Oh, look at those cabinets. Um, they are beige looking cabinet, and then you have your appliances. These doors give you to the pantry. So they do have a nice size pantry right there. And then you have additional cabinet right there. And then they have the stairs leading you to the basement. Again, we'll be going there shortly, but you have your half bath from this floor, which is located right next to the kitchen. And then you have this door that leads you to the garage. So if you are coming through from the garage, then you'll land right over here, right next to the kitchen. Okay. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the outside because it's really cool what I did on the outside. So as you guys notice, there is no fireplace in the main living area. So the fireplace is actually outside. So look at that. It's really nice. And they even have like a fan in the deck area. And look at the view. So it's different, but it's nice. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and head upstairs so that I can show you the bedroom. Oh, and before we go up there, look at that. Um, oh, the high ceiling, and you have window all the way up there, which is nice. So we're just gonna go ahead and go upstairs. So on this level, they have the second level. They have 3 bedrooms. We'll go ahead and start to the left here, my left. So as you go down the hall, you have the shared bathroom. That's what you have right there. And then you have the bedroom, which right now it's been decorated as small office. You have the closet right there. And then you have the second bedroom right next door. You have the closet right there. You have the bedroom. And I really like that they have this small section right here, this nook, which can serve as a homework station or as a working station. And that's bedroom number 2. You have your linen closet right here. And then you have your, straight down, you have your laundry room. So you have your washer and dryer. You don't have cabinet, but you do have this nice closet as storage area. Okay. Now onto the master's bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. It's a pretty big, large size masters. Look at those light fixtures. Look at the windows. So much natural light. It's beautiful. Like that. And then the master suite only has a shower, so they do not have a bathtub in this model home. Just a shower. Then you have your Jack and Jill back up so you can see. Then you have your separated toilet area, and then you have your walk-in closet. With plenty of space for everyone. All right, now we can head to the basement. All right, now this is the basement. Once you go to the, well, my left, you have a room which you can set up as your gym or your office or whatever you choose to set it up as. It's a pretty big room or a media room. Okay. Again, I have this little spot right here that they decided to make use of it, which is nice. Then you have the living space in the basement. It's the living area. Again, it's a full basement, so you do have a bedroom down here and a full bath. So again, if you are an investor and you would like to house hack, it's definitely possible in this community. So that's it. I will see you guys on the next tour. Bye for now.